Hello everyone, this is just a quick walkthrough of cleaning a Nissan Qashqai 2021 year model rim and tyre and wheel arch with Supagard products. To start off, I'm just giving the rim, tyre and arch a rinse down with the pressure washer. Here I'm mixing 2 capfuls of Supagard pH neutral soap in half a bucket of warm water, followed by activating the suds with the pressure washer. Here you can see I'm using Supagard wheel and tyre cleaner. I'm spraying the tyre cleaner liberally over the tyre, rim and the wheel arch. Next I'm using a Vikan brush just to clean the arches. When cleaning rims, tyres and arches you want lots of lubricity, so as you can see I'm using the bucket with soap and dipping the Vikan brush in frequently just to get extra suds and lubricity to clean the tyres and rims without inflicting any scratches. Next up I'm using the Supagard wheel brush, which comes with the Supagard detailing kits to clean the inner barrels of the rim. I'm getting all into all the areas almost behind the spokes and kind of cleaning all over meticulously as I go. Also I'm dunking into the bucket in between passes or every few seconds, just to also kind of add lubricity and limit any scratches or marring or damage into the rim on the rim barrel. Next up I'm using just a Boar hair paintbrush that I purchased from B&Q. They're quite cheap. This is just to clean the faces of the rims and also the nooks and crannies and the crevices where the other brushes can't reach or don't get into. As you can see, I'm dunking in the bucket quite often, so that there's always lots of lubricity, also as well limiting damage and wash marring. Here I'm using some AA brand bleeding wheels, which is an eye fallout remover. The rims are fairly new, so there won't be that much iron contamination within the rim or within the barrels or around the brake calipers or discs. So just spraying this on as a cautionary measure, just to blast off whatever's built up over the last month and a bit since I've had the car. Here I am, I'm just monitoring to see purple change colour, to see what iron fallout has built up. Here I'm just going over with the paintbrush and the soap just where spots of iron fallout have come through, so just washing those away. Here I am doing a rinse down with the pressure washer of the tyres, rim inside the rim and the wheel arches. I'm quite meticulous and take my time with washing all the product out. Here I am using an old microfiber cloth just to wipe the inner barrels of the rims dry so there's no excess water that could possibly cause rusting later on. and also as well I'm using the cloth to dry the face of the rims and the spokes of the rims as well. And also as well, you'll see there I'm using bird and bug remover. There are a few glue and tar spots that are present on the rim spokes as well, so you might see me spray the rim a bit with a bit of the bird and bug remover spray from Supagard, and that's just to use to wipe off the tar and glue spots. To dress the tyres, I'm using Supagard tyre dressing. It comes in the detailing kit, or the bottle is sold separately. I tried spraying it on the applicator pad that I have, but the sprayer trigger failed. So you can see I open up the bottle and I just dip it on the applicator, and then dab a few times around on the tyre, and then blend it all in. So finally, for the after shots, here I show the right rear arch, which has the fabric liners in the arch. These are a bit of a mission to clean. Don't worry about the dirt, or what appears to be dirt like brown. That's actually just because the sun is behind the car at this stage, so there's a bit of reflection of the sun, just showing some what looks like dirt, but it's actually just reflection. And then also as well, a little bit further along, I showed left arch and wheel and rim, which has the normal plastic liners, which are a lot more easier to clean. As you can see, they've come out fantastic. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see more videos like this.